What's going on, folks? Rob Anderson, Clean Power Wash, Salisbury, Maryland. This video may be you might find this completely dumb. You might find this super helpful. I don't really know. But I find it really helpful, both from a dealing with customer standpoint, a scheduling standpoint, and everything. Looking at the weather. Well, yeah, it makes sense, especially this time of year. I mean, right now, I didn't notice that we were supposed to get pretty windy and start drizzling and whatnot. It's in the low 50s, high 40s right now, so it's not bad. But depending on the time of day, the weather can impact you more or less. But so I'm looking at what days can I schedule some jobs on. So right now, if you look at this, you see we got Wednesday. We have 43% chance of rain. Thursday, 70% chance of rain. And Friday, 6% chance of rain. Now, that doesn't mean that it's going to rain 43, 70, and 6% of the day. So depending on when it's actually supposed to rain, or when it's supposed to snow, or when it's supposed to be windy, you're going to adjust your schedule. We've had days where, look, like we're supposed to get a massive downpour at 11 or 12 o'clock. Let's hurry up. Let's get this roof done and get everything clean while it's bright, hot, and sunny. We did one like that back in July or August. And then literally we finished putting that second coat on and started to wash the house. And about 15, 20 minutes later, the sky opened up on us. Sufficient water to dilute what was up there, but we got the job done. Had we done it reverse, we would have been screwed. We would not have been able to do the roof. We would have had to come back another day. But so like I'm looking at this for Thursday, and so we got a temperature. This is the Dark Sky app, talking about temperatures throughout the day. So obviously, someone's calling me. You want to see your temperature, obviously, especially for roof washing right now. And then percent chance of or probability of rain. Because it says 70% chance of rain, but not once in that entire thing does it say rain. It says overcast from 6 a.m. to 6 a.m. and mostly cloudy at noon. But temperature is supposed to be in the 50s in those same time frames, so we're good. We've got a roof that I'm going to add in for Thursday afternoon. So it looks like it's going to be better for that time period to knock out a roof, gutters. It's like $1,000 job that we've got added on. Small little single-story rancher kind of deal, but they've got 2 decks and the roof, gutters, and a lot of it's going to be kind of overlapping services that we would be doing anyways. So, but we're going to throw that in there Thursday because of that. Instead of just looking and saying, 70% chance of rain, we better not schedule this roof job then because it's going to get rained out or it's going to get us messed up. With it being tomorrow, I could go ahead and look at like the radar forecast and whatnot through this app. So my point on there is don't always just look at, is it supposed to be rainy? Is it supposed to be cloudy? Look at when that's supposed to be. What times a day? Is it supposed to rain tomorrow and you're going to get dumped on from 8 p.m. to midnight? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter at that point. So, again, look into the finer points of those details. I like this app. It helps me out. And then now I'm looking at, like, I was going to schedule a job for Tuesday, this one that I'm going to add to tomorrow's stuff. Well, here's the probabilities of rain. We got 30s, 40s, 50s. I'd say, folks, and especially since it's supposed to be 30% chance of rain starting at about 10 and then going up from there, odds are that's going to be a day that we can't do a roof. So I'm not going to schedule a roof based off of that. Now, that's Tuesday and today's Wednesday. So that could end up being Wednesday or Monday or whatever. But that tells me, it gives me a good idea that I probably shouldn't schedule a job based off the fact that it's supposed to rain during that time period where we want to do the work. So anyways, I hope you found this helpful. Hit the subscribe button below and wash on. Have a great day.